Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Kasa Smart devices to new TP-Link account, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your Kasa Smart devices to a new TP-Link account, ensure you have the Kasa Smart app installed on your smartphone. Open the Kasa Smart app and log in to your current TP-Link account. Navigate to the Devices tab to view all your connected devices. Select the device you wish to transfer and tap on it to open its settings. In the device settings, look for the Clear Device option. Confirm the action when prompted, which will remove the device from your account. Return to the Main Devices tab after clearing the device. Next, log out of your current TP-Link account by going to the Me tab. Tap on Logout to exit the account. Now, log in to your new TP-Link account using your credentials. Once logged in, tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select the type of device you are transferring from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to put the device into setup mode. When prompted, choose your new Wi-Fi network and enter the password. The app will search for available devices to connect. Once your device is found, tap on it to initiate connection. Confirm the setup by following any additional prompts that appear. Your Kasa Smart device should now be connected to your new TP-Link account. Repeat the process for any additional devices you wish to transfer. Make sure to test the functionality of your devices once they are connected. You are now ready to enjoy your Kasa Smart devices under your new TP-Link account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.